Hey guys, so now we are in the solving rational equation portion. So what we need to do here is first factor. Okay, remember if you struggle to factor, p minus 4 is going to be one of your factors. So negative 4 times what will give me positive 4? And the answer is negative 1. So we're going to take that out and rewrite this one as well. Okay, so now we want to get rid of the fraction. So we're going to take and multiply p minus 4 and p minus 1 to everything. Minus 4 minus 1. Okay, so p minus 4 cancels here and here, so I'm left with p minus 1. P minus 4 and p minus 1 cancel, so I'm left with p plus 3. And the same thing happens here, so plus p. Okay, so p minus 1, I'm going to clean this side and get 2p plus 3. Oops, let me get all this extra stuff out the way. Oops. There we go. Okay, and now I'm going to subtract p. So negative 1 equals p plus 3, subtract 3, and p equals negative 4. Oops, sorry about that. P equals negative 4. Okay, so here's this one. Again, looking at our common denominator, multiply this by 3k, 3k, and 3k. So if there is nothing at the bottom, we still got to multiply it. Okay, remember, it's like an understood 1. So the 3k's cancel, so k plus 6 equals 2 plus 6k. So minus k, so 6 equals 2 plus 5. I'm going to have to write smaller, minus 2. So we get 4, oops, k equals 5k. Oops, that's a 5. So 4 equals 5k, divide by 5. So k equals 4 over 5. Okay. We're going to do the same thing again for number 12. So k minus 3, k minus 3, and k minus 3. So these cancel, 6. Cancel, x minus 6 equals, please be careful here. So it's going to be 4 times k minus 3. Okay. Ooh, this turns out lovely. The 6's cancel, so we're left with k. Distribute your 4. So 4k minus 12. Subtract 4k, and we get negative 3k equals negative 12. Divide by negative 3, and k equals 4. Okay. Now, this is our partial fraction. Okay. So we need to factor the bottom. I don't care about the top. Okay. So we're going to factor the bottom. So what times what gives us 2? When I add, I get negative 3. So x minus 2 and x minus 1. Okay. So x minus, okay, there, x minus 2, x minus 1 equals a over x minus 2 plus b over x minus 1. Okay, I'm going to change colors so we can see. Here, please make sure you multiply by x minus 2 and x minus 1 to everything. Okay, so these cancel, so I'm left with 8x minus 14. I don't know why I did that. X minus 2's cancel, so I'm left with a times x minus 1. And x minus 1 here, so plus b times x minus 2. Okay, so this is where we're going to do x minus 1 equals 0. So each one of those factors add 1, and x equals 1. So we're going to take and plug 1 in to all of the x's here. So this will be 8 times 1 minus 14 equals a times 1 minus 1 plus b times 1 minus 2. Isn't 8 minus 14, I think, what, 6? Negative 6. So negative 6 goes away equals negative 1b divided by negative 1. So b equals 6. Okay, so now we're going to take x minus 2 and set it equal to 0 and add 2 to both sides. X equals 2. So here we go. So 8 times 2 minus 14 equals a times 2 minus 1 plus b 2 minus 2. So 16 minus 14 is 2, and that equals 1. So a cancels. So a over, now go all the way up here. What was under a? X minus 2. Plus b, which was 6, and that's under x minus 1. Okay, there we go for that one. And this is our final answer. Okay, and last one for this video, number 14. We're going to do the same thing. Negative 5x plus 16. X squared minus 5x plus 6. Okay. Back to that bottom. So what times what gives us 6? That adds to negative 5. And that'll be x minus 2 and x minus 3. Okay. So we're going to rewrite this. Negative 5x plus 16. X minus 2, x minus 3. A over x minus 2 plus b over x minus 3. Okay. Multiply everything by x minus 2, x minus 3. Cancels. So I'm left with negative 5x plus 16. The x minus 2's cancel, and I'm left with a times x minus 3. X minus 3's cancel, plus b times x minus 2. Okay. X minus 3 equals 0, add 3. So we have x equals 3. So plug it in to all the x's. So negative 5 times 3. Ooh, I almost made a boo-boo. That's 16, right? Look what I did here. 16. Ooh, that would have been bad. Equals a and 3 minus 3 plus b, and that's what 3 minus 2. So negative 15 plus 16 is 1. Cancels, equals 1b, or just b. Okay. Then x minus 2. Set that equal. Add 2. X equals 2. We're going to do the same thing. So negative 5 times 2 plus 16 equals a times 2 minus 3 plus b, and it's 2 minus 2. Okay, we already know that goes away. So negative 10 plus 16, so that's 6, equals negative 1a. Divide by negative 1, so a equals 6. So here we go. 6 over x minus 2 is under a, plus b, which is 1, which is over x minus 3. And there is that answer. Okay, excuse me, I hope that has helped, and I'll see you in the next video.